Today's story takes a hard look at the fall of one of YouTube's most familiar names in the gaming world, Patrick Thomas Julianelle, better known as PopularMMOs. For over a decade, Patrick was a pillar of the Minecraft community. His videos were fun, family-friendly, and deeply nostalgic for millions, especially his iconic collaborations with then-wife, Jen. With over 17 million subscribers, he wasn't just a content creator, he was a brand, a comfort, a part of childhood for so many. But that legacy has taken a dark turn in recent years. It started back in 2021, when Julianelle was arrested for domestic battery following a dispute with his girlfriend. The charges were later dropped, but the damage was done. The cheerful image that fans knew began to crack. Then in 2022, things escalated. He was arrested after running onto the field during a Jacksonville Jaguars NFL game. What looked like a random stunt turned into a bizarre spectacle. He was tackled, jailed, and fined. Fans began to wonder, was this just erratic behavior, or was something deeper going on? By 2024, the situation worsened. Julianelle was arrested again, this time for assaulting a police officer and resisting arrest with violence. It was the most serious charge yet. He took a plea deal that included 12 months probation, 100 hours of community service, a $1,000 fine, and a written apology. But within months, he violated those probation terms. He tested positive for both marijuana and alcohol, triggering multiple arrest warrants. The court ordered GPS monitoring and eventually sent him to inpatient rehab for substance abuse treatment. Then came May 2025, the most alarming chapter yet. Julianelle once again violated probation, testing positive for the same substances. Police found him reportedly asleep in a public area with drugs and alcohol on him. Bodycam footage from the arrest shows a disoriented and distressed Patrick. When officers tried to intervene, he attempted to flee, but was quickly tackled and arrested. He's now facing new charges, including resisting arrest with violence and possession of marijuana under 20 grams. The online reaction has been emotional. For many, PopularMMOs was more than just a YouTuber, he was a piece of their childhood. His adventures in Minecraft, the silly challenges with Jen, those memories are now clouded by legal battles and public breakdowns. At this point, Patrick's future is uncertain. He's still under legal supervision. If the violations continue, jail time may be inevitable. His content has all but disappeared, and the creator once beloved by millions has become a cautionary tale. We genuinely hope Patrick gets the help he needs, not just to escape legal trouble, but to heal mentally and emotionally, because no amount of subscribers can protect someone from what they are battling inside.